Have you ever made a YouTube comment that you wish you could take back? Well, we all make mistakes, and the good news is, when it comes to YouTube comments, we can fix those mistakes. We can undo those comments. And Google makes it really easy. You don't have to go searching through all of the videos that you've ever watched, or try to go hunt down that one video that you commented on and regret making the comment. In fact, Google has put it all into one simple user interface, and you can quickly go through every comment you've ever made on YouTube and delete the ones you don't want out there, okay? So not only will you not see them, but everybody else will not be able to see them as well. Let me show you how to do this on screen, because I'm sure some of you out there have some YouTube comments you might want to either edit or remove, right? I think we've all been there. So follow along on screen as I show you how to do this. All right, everybody. So the first thing we need to do is get to the website where all the magic happens. That website is myactivity.google.com/myactivity, okay? Starts with my activity, ends with my activity. I have it here on screen so you can see it. Type it into your web browser, the URL bar, get to it yourself, okay? And when we get here, as you go through it, this website's probably gonna shock you a little bit. It has a lot of information on it you might not have known Google was tracking. And if you just go through the activity, you can kind of see what they're tracking. Well, they're tracking a lot of stuff. They're tracking what you search online, tracking the YouTube videos that you watch, tracking the comments that you make. Any account that is attached to your Google is going to be tracked here. Okay, so all that data is compiled here. You can take a look at what Google sees, what you're doing, and what you've been doing, okay? All right, now the next place we're going to look, once you kind of peruse through and see what Google's been spying on or looking at as you do it, you're going to want to check for this menu in the top left corner, okay? If you don't see it, you can click on these three lines. They call that the hamburger menu, main menu. It will close and reveal it, okay? Now they have a general delete option here where you can just delete all the activity by, last hour, last day, all time, custom range, if you want to do specific dates or something like that. Just purge it. You could totally nuke it all out. You can delete all the data that Google's been tracking on here. If you're kind of a privacy nut, that might be the way you want to go with it, okay? You can also see what other activity they've been tracking, okay? Web and app activity, like I talked about, any applications or accounts that you connect to Google, it's all tracked here, okay? YouTube history being a big one. Once you see that one, we click on Manage Activity, because this is what we're doing today. We're going to be deleting the comments, okay? Now, YouTube history, that could be a lot of stuff, right? That's a lot of short videos, that's a lot of long form videos, there's a lot going on. So what we want to do is search specifically for comments. To do that, we go back to that little menu in the top left and choose Interactions. From here, we can go through and we can sort it out. We can look for comments and replies, comments, likes and dislikes, video likes and dislikes that we've made, okay? Comments and replies is the one we want today because we're talking about how to delete the YouTube comments. All right, and once you get to this page, it's pretty simple. I don't really have a lot of YouTube comments. Here's one from 2023, but I could easily click on this X and delete it. Boom. Now I have no YouTube comments out there floating around, okay? If you're having trouble with your computer, reach out to us via the number at the end, the beginning of the video, down in the description, and right here on screen for a little bit so you can see it. Thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you on the next one.